In this exercise, you open an existing assembly file and then add standard parts from the Content Center. You also use Design Accelerator to design a bolted connection. To complete the assembly, you create a circular pattern. Make ADA Mechanical Unit 7.ipj the active project. Open INV Unit 703.iam. On the component panel, click Place from Content Center. In the Place from Content Center dialog box, click the down arrow on the Filters button. Click Add Edit Filters. Select ISO from the Filter Group Name list. Click the Categories tab. Clear all the checkboxes except for fasteners. Click OK to save changes. Under Category View, expand Fasteners, Bolts. Click Socket Head. In the List panel on the right, double-click ISO 4762. Right-click the bolt, click Change Size. Under Thread Description, select M8 from the list. Under Nominal Length, select 35 from the list. Click OK. In the graphics window, click to place an occurrence of the bolt. Place 3 more bolts. Right-click in the graphics window, click OK. Click Place from Content Center. Expand Fasteners, Nuts, click Hex. In the List panel on the right, double-click ISO 4032. Right-click the nut, click Change Size. Under Thread Description, select M8 from the list. Click OK. Place 4 nuts. Right-click in the graphics window, click OK. On the Position panel, click Constrain. Under Type, click Insert. Select the edge of the hole on the sleeve as shown. Select the outside circular edge on a cap screw as shown. Click Apply. Assemble the 3 remaining cap screws using the same workflow. Rotate the assembly to view the threaded end of the cap screws. Select the outer edge of the chamfer on the nut as shown. Select the circular edge as shown. Click Apply. Assemble the 3 remaining nuts using the same workflow. Close the Place Constraint dialog box. On the View cube, click Home. Zoom into the claw. On the Design tab, Fasten panel, click Bolted Connection. Review the Design tab. By default, the Through All connection type should be selected. Under Placement, select Buy Hole from the list. Under Thread, select ANSI Metric M Profile from the list. For diameter, select 8 mm from the list. Select the front plane as shown. Select the existing hole as shown. Rotate the assembly, select the termination face as shown. From the items list, select Click to add a fastener. Scroll down the list, select Forged Socket Head Cap Screw, Metric. From the items list, select the final Click to add a fastener. Select ISO from the standard list. Select nuts from the category list. Click ISO 4032. Click OK twice. The bolt and nut are added to the hole. Repeat this workflow to design a bolted connection for the second hole on the claw. On the View cube, click Home. On the Assemble tab, Component panel, click Pattern. Click the Circular tab. In the browser, select all the components except the spider, sleeve, and left ring. Under Circular, click Axis Direction. Select the face of the spider arm to select the axis. For circular count, enter 3. For circular angle, enter 120. Click OK. Drag the sleeve up and down to review the assembly. Return the sleeve to the position shown. This will provide a working solution for the animation. In the browser, expand Sleeve 1. Right-click Drive this constraint. Click Drive. For start, enter 25 millimeters. For end, enter 50 millimeters. Click More. Under Repetitions, select Start, End, Start. Under Repetitions, enter 20. Click Forward to view the simulated motion of the spider arm assembly. Click Cancel. On the application menu, click Save As, Save Copy As. Use a class file naming convention. In this exercise, you opened an existing assembly file and then added bolts and nuts from the Content Center and designed a bolted connection with Design Accelerator. You then completed the assembly by creating a circular pattern, and you simulated the motion of the assembly using drive constraints.